Okay guys, we're going out again. Whaler, what is it called? Center? Village Center?
Whaler Village.
The Whaler Village. Perfect weather. Okay, so take you to the stores. Okay. The beach. Yes. Yes. We're shopping. Okay guys, we're here and look what I got. Yes, and we got some Sephora goodies. And yeah, so it's been wonderful shopping. Now we're gonna go buy. We're gonna go back to the hotel and we're gonna have some ice cream. And call it a night, okay? Yes! So guys, check it out. It's a rainbow. Got a beautiful rainbow, Matthew. Yes. It looks like a storm is coming. It's very windy. But it's beautiful. That's the beauty of the tropics. I'm not the tropics. Oh my god, look at that. Yes. In 4K. Yes. I'm so happy. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Yeah. Hi guys. We're enjoying the sunset in here and I'm having dessert. I'm having some gelato and pineapple. These are one of the things that I indulge myself when I go on vacation. But tonight I always like to eat ice cream or gelato or whatever. Dessert is the only time during the year that we do this. Because why not, darling? So today we went shopping just now. We just came back from, we went to Louis Vuitton, we went to Sephora. I got a few goodies, I got a new belt. I got a new pair of sunglasses that I'm gonna show you tomorrow. And relax. It's great for us when we go on vacation, guys. The best thing to do is just don't make any plans. So here goes Matthew. So I was telling our fans about our day today.
Yes.
Yes. So the sun just came down. And so yes, I was telling about day of shopping. We went to Paya, whatever you call it.
Higher.
And then we got the pearls. And Matthew got a beautiful ring band, and I got also a necklace, a pearl necklace. It was a very nice time there. We walked around town, we went to different gift shops. They had galleries, they had a lot of stuff in there to see. So then we came back and we had dinner and then we went shopping to
All the restaurants are packed.
all the restaurants are packed and we'll have to go to bed early because tomorrow morning we're going to a special day. First we have to go work out, first because we have to take care of yourself first, remember? Like when we go on vacation we don't have to make plans. We have to go with the flow, and just see what you are doing, because when you make plans, it's actually like you're forced to do that and saying no. Also, we plan to come back in October. From all the islands, I think I like this one the best. So what was the highlight of the day today?
I think driving to Paya and having a look around the old town there.
Mm-hmm.
One of these trips I'll go up Haleakala or and to Hana.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to do those with a tour rather than do the driving myself.
Yeah.
Particularly the road to Hana. It's long and windy.
Yes.
And it really irritates the local residents when tourists are driving along very slowly and looking at all the scenery and stopping where they're not supposed to stop. So I thought, rather than do that, I'll do a tour. But I don't want to do it just yet. I'd rather wait until the World Health Organization declares the pandemic over.
And guys, all the restaurants are packed. it's like back to normal. But when you go to the stores, they only limit the amount of people. Like when we went to Louis Vuitton today, they only allow like 5 or 6 people. I mean, the store is not that big, and so it's kind of better that way, you know. So,
I think with Louis Vuitton, they're really only allowing one group of shoppers per sales associate, which meant that you got very
special attention.
special attention. Yeah.
My favorite store in the world. The one.
And of course, at Louis Vuitton, Michael had his Louis Vuitton bag and he was wearing a Louis Vuitton belt, so they knew he was a serious
And the
shopper.
Rolex, and the diamonds.
So when they know you're a serious shopper, they're a little bit.
She said to me, "Oh, you look wonderful." She kept looking at me back and forth, looking at my bag, checking me out because you know what, guys, they are trained to do that. So once they see that you, I don't want to say the profile the people, but
They do. But they profile them for money.
yeah. So, or I don't know. Anyway, so Tom Ford has one. Exactly right. Tom Ford has one, but the minute, I mean, you smell it on the street, and the minute I put it in here, it changed completely. Although now it smells really nice. Now it smells really nice. So anyway, but I can get that in New York, I mean in Portland. So, but then I try. Let me get the stuff. I'm gonna do a little gossip for you guys. But there's no lighting here to do it.
Well, the trouble is this balcony doesn't have any lights.
No lights in here, so we have to do it inside. So let's go inside and do the unboxing. Yeah! Okay guys, time to do the unboxing. Ta-ta! So they gave me this beautiful plastic cover for the bag because it was drizzling when we left the store. So this is the shopping bag. Thumbnail. Yes! So first, show you. So we got a new item here that I'm so in love with. You know, I have 2 belts already, but I wanted a different one. So this belt is gonna go perfectly with anything. You know, this is very special, very unique. I've never had this kind of belt before, like this color. So and I love the buckle. Please. Ta-ta! So it is like a beige, creamy belt, and you can use it in both sides. One side is white, and the other side is like has like the monogram. Ta-ta! So this one you can use with a pair of jeans, with white pants, pastel colors. I mean, you can use it with anything you want because no, why not? You know, it's just a trend. So it's beautiful. Look at that. Love it, and it looks great on me, especially wearing pink like this. Yes. Okay, and then let's put this in here so you can appreciate. And then I got this another special item, guys. I fell in love with this the minute I saw it. Look at this. Okay. So this is a little booklet. It tells you all about the different sunglasses, the different in all the languages. And here they are. Here they are, baby. These are epic. So let me show them to you. But look at this case. Put it to the side. And let me just take off my glasses so I can show them to you in its full glory. Ta-da! Ta-da! Look. Look at the way. Look at me. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God, they look so beautiful. The shape is unique. It's different. You know, it just enhances my face. Yeah. So guys, I did really good today. And let me show you the colognes that we got. So this is another few goodies that we got today. Because why not? We're on vacation. We work very hard to treat ourselves. Okay, so first I'm looking for a nice face cleanser because like I told you before, I think I left a bag at home. So I love this Kate Somerville cleanser. I used it before and I think this is really a good one. So I got this one. Then we have, let's move the chair over here. Let's put this in here. Okay. Then Matthew got Tom Ford Noir. This smells so good, guys. Excellent. Then we got Tom Ford. It's called Neroli Portofino. Oh my God, it's amazing, guys. So we got this one. I think Tom Ford makes the best. Really, very nice. And this is sunscreen, super good to protect my beautiful skin, darling. I got this one, and then that's it. That's all I got. So yeah, we have this, and the cleaner, Sephora. Yes. Let me just do a thumbnail. Okay, so let me just put everything away, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing, again, my new belt. I love it. My new sunglasses. Amazing. So guys, I'm gonna be posting this video tomorrow, maybe the day after, or who knows, because I have a lot of editing to do. And yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna go to another beach and just the fun continues. Okay guys, so take care of yourself and keep looking for new vlogs. Okay, bye. Yes.